The sky turned a sickly orange, casting an eerie glow over the sprawling cityscape. It was as if the heavens themselves were ablaze, mirroring the chaos below. Smoke filled the air, a choking reminder of the inferno raging through the hills. The once clear skies of Los Angeles were now a dense, suffocating blanket of ash and soot, making it hard to breathe and see. Los Angeles, a city known for its glamour and sunshine, was under siege. The iconic skyline, usually a symbol of hope and opportunity, was now obscured by a thick veil of smoke, a testament to the relentless wildfires. Wildfires, fueled by dry brush and driven by fierce winds, tore through neighborhoods, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. The flames, hungry and unyielding, consumed everything in their path, from lush greenery to man-made structures. Homes, businesses, and cherished memories were reduced to ash. The devastation was not just physical, but emotional, as families saw their lives' work and treasured possessions vanish in the flames. The air crackled with the sound of flames and the panicked cries of fleeing residents. The urgency of evacuation was palpable, as people grabbed what they could and fled, hoping to escape the fire's relentless advance. The City of Angels was scarred, wounded, but not broken. Landmarks that once stood as proud symbols of the city's heritage now bore the marks of the fire, yet amidst the destruction, there were signs of hope and resilience. The 2024 fire season was one for the record books, etched in the memories of Angelinos forever. It was a season that tested the limits of the city's emergency services and the resolve of its residents. It was a stark reminder of the raw power of nature and the delicate balance between humanity and the environment. The wildfires highlighted the vulnerability of urban areas to natural disasters and the need for better preparedness and response strategies. The fires brought fear and devastation, but they also ignited a spirit of resilience and community. Neighbors helped neighbors, strangers became friends, and the city came together to support those in need. From the ashes of tragedy, a city would rebuild, stronger and more united than ever before. The rebuilding efforts were a testament to the indomitable spirit of Los Angeles, a city that refused to be defeated by the flames. Firefighters, the unsung heroes of this battle, worked tirelessly to contain the blazes. Their bravery and dedication were a beacon of hope, showing that even in the darkest times, there are those who will stand and fight. The wildfires also took a toll on the local wildlife. Animals displaced from their habitats were seen fleeing the flames, while rescue teams worked to save as many as they could. In the aftermath, nature began its slow recovery. New growth emerged from the charred ground, a symbol of renewal and the enduring cycle of life. The resilience of nature mirrored that of the city's inhabitants, both determined to rise from the ashes. The Santa Ana winds are a fact of life in Southern California. These winds are notorious for their intensity and unpredictability, often catching residents off guard. These hot, dry winds, originating in the Great Basin, descend from the mountains and sweep across the region, often with hurricane-force strength. As they move, they compress and heat up, creating an environment ripe for disaster. They are a natural phenomenon, but their impact can be devastating. Wildfires, fueled by these relentless winds, can spread rapidly, consuming everything in their path and leaving behind a trail of destruction. The Santa Anas carry with them an inherent danger, the ability to turn a small spark into a raging inferno. A single ember, carried by these powerful gusts, can ignite dry brush and set off a chain reaction. These winds, infamous for their role in fueling wildfires, whip through canyons and valleys, drying out vegetation and creating a tinderbox-like environment. The dry conditions make it easy for fires to start and difficult for them to be contained. They carry embers for miles, spreading fire at an alarming rate. Firefighters often struggle to keep up with the rapidly advancing flames, as the winds push the fire in unpredictable directions. The Santa Anas are a force to be reckoned with, a reminder of the precarious balance between nature's beauty and its potential for destruction. While they bring clear skies and warm temperatures, they also bring the ever-present threat of wildfire, a stark reminder of nature's duality. The Santa Ana winds are not solely to blame for the increasing frequency and intensity of wildfires in Los Angeles. Climate change is playing a significant role. Rising temperatures, prolonged droughts, and earlier snowmelt in the mountains have created a perfect storm for wildfires. The landscape, parched and brittle, is primed for ignition. Human activity also contributes to the problem. As development pushes further into wildland areas, the risk of wildfire increases. Carelessly discarded cigarettes, sparks from machinery, and even arson can ignite a blaze that quickly spirals out of control. Addressing the climate crisis and promoting responsible land management practices are crucial steps in mitigating the threat of future wildfires. The fires did not discriminate. They swept through wealthy enclaves and working-class neighborhoods alike, leaving a path of destruction in their wake. Even the rich and famous were not immune to the fire's wrath. Celebrities like Miley, Cyrus, and Gerard Butler saw their homes reduced to ashes. These public figures, often seen as living charmed lives, were brought face to face with the harsh realities of climate change. Their losses served as a stark reminder that wildfires affect everyone, regardless of wealth or status. Many used their platforms to raise awareness about the fires and encourage donations to relief efforts. Section 5. Rising from the Ashes. Stories of Resilience. In the aftermath of the fires, the true spirit of Los Angeles shone through. Neighbors helped neighbors, sharing food, shelter, and words of comfort. First responders worked tirelessly, battling flames and rescuing those in need. A wave of compassion and generosity swept through the city and beyond. Stories of extraordinary courage and kindness emerged from the ashes. Firefighters risking their lives to save others. Strangers opening their homes to displaced families. Community members coming together to rebuild their shattered lives. The fires may have tested their spirit, but they could not extinguish the indomitable spirit of Angelenos. Section 6. From scorched earth to green shoots. The landscape, once blackened and scarred, slowly began to heal. Green shoots emerged from the charred earth, a testament to nature's remarkable ability to regenerate. The air, thick with smoke just weeks earlier, cleared, revealing the resilient beauty of the surrounding mountains. The road to recovery was long and arduous, but the people of Los Angeles faced it with determination. They rebuilt homes, replanted gardens, and supported local businesses. They honored the memories of those lost and found strength in their shared experience. Section 7. Rebuilding Lives, Rebuilding Hope. The fires served as a wake-up call, a stark reminder of the importance of community and the need for proactive measures to combat climate change. Los Angeles, known for its innovation and resilience, embraced the challenge of rebuilding, not just structures, but a more sustainable and fire-resistant future. New building codes were implemented, emphasizing fire-resistant materials and defensible space around homes. Community wildfire protection plans were developed, focusing on vegetation management, early warning systems, and resident education. The fires had left their mark, but they had also ignited a passion for change. Section 8. Preventing the next inferno, a shared responsibility. Preventing future wildfires is a shared responsibility, requiring a multi-pronged approach. Individuals can do their part by creating defensible space around their homes, clearing brush and debris, and being mindful of fire safety during high-risk periods. Local governments play a crucial role in enacting and enforcing fire-resistant building codes, supporting community wildfire protection plans, and providing resources for fire prevention and suppression efforts. Addressing climate change through policies that reduce greenhouse gas emissions is essential to mitigating the risk of future wildfires. Section 9. A Future Forged in Fire. The wildfires that ravaged Los Angeles were a tragedy, but they also served as a catalyst for change. These fires, which consumed thousands of acres, destroyed homes, and displaced countless families, were a stark reminder of the growing threat posed by climate change. The intensity and frequency of these wildfires have increased over the years, making it clear that immediate action is necessary. They brought to light the urgent need to address climate change, adapt to a new reality, and prioritize community resilience. In the aftermath, communities came together, united by a common goal: to rebuild stronger and smarter. Local governments, environmental organizations, and residents collaborated on innovative solutions to mitigate future risks. The road ahead is long, but the spirit of Los Angeles, forged in the crucible of fire, burns brighter than ever. The resilience and determination of its people are evident in every step of the recovery process. From rebuilding homes with fire-resistant materials to implementing advanced firefighting techniques, the city is transforming its approach to disaster preparedness. From the ashes of devastation, a new chapter begins. This chapter is not just about recovery, it's about reimagining a future where communities are better equipped to handle the challenges posed by climate change. The regrowth of vegetation in burnt areas symbolizes hope and renewal, a testament to nature's resilience and the community's unwavering spirit. A chapter defined by innovation, collaboration, and an unwavering commitment to protecting the city and its people from the threat of future wildfires. Engineers are designing buildings that can withstand extreme heat, while scientists are researching new methods to predict and control wildfires. Community groups are actively involved in fire prevention strategies, ensuring that everyone plays a part in safeguarding their environment. The fires may have left scars on the land and in the hearts of Angelenos, but they also ignited a spirit of hope and determination that will shape the city's future for generations to come. Memorials for wildfire victims serve as a poignant reminder of the lives lost, while the sight of children playing in recovering parks offers a glimpse of a brighter, more resilient future. The journey of rebuilding and adapting continues, driven by a collective resolve to create a safer, more sustainable Los Angeles.